how to enable or disable overlay scroll bar in your Google Chrome. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the style of this overlay scroll bar in your Google Chrome. Now, if you are using this one right here, you might want to change it. There is a newer version to this, so I'll teach you guys how you can change that. So just open up a new tab and paste this link right here. It is Chrome flags slash overlay scroll bars. Now hit enter. Now after you do this, you will see overlay scroll bars right here under the flags, and here what you'll need to do is at its set in default, you'll need to enable it. Tap on enable and relaunch. So after it relaunches, we'll just go ahead and search anything here. And there you can see, now this is a newer scroll bar. Now it's a much thinner one, and it widens up whenever you go near it. And whenever you are not near it, it even disappears. And yeah, that is basically it. Now you can even, go back. You can disable it or go back to default, and you'll just have to relaunch. And that is how you change your overlay scroll bars, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. That is all.